Bullish ramp cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 26 cents and 57 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept ramp could reach 26 cents by 2025. Bearish ramp market cost expectation for 2022 is 4 cents. Ramp presentation. Since its send-off in 2020, Ramp has figured out how to stand out as a multi-chain loaning stage that empowers clients to expand their crypto returns. Nonetheless, Ramp's previous execution has been very conflicting, with a few ups and downs. In spite of that, Ramp is as yet viewed as a coin of revenue in the cryptographic money market, with promising future outcomes. Assuming you're interested about the cost of Ramp, you're perfectly positioned. In this article, we've summed up ramp cost expectations, from ramp cost today to average cost, current cost, past execution, verifiable information, least cost, normal exchanging cost, and most extreme cost, as well as thinking about whether ramp coin is supposed to be a wise speculation for what's to come. For our careful ramp cost estimate, continue to peruse. What is ramp? Ramp DeFi is a decentralized multi-bind driving stage intended to support DeFi reception. It was established by Lo Zhengrong and Lawrence Lim to boost capital proficiency on stacked advanced resources. Ramp permits non-Ethereum clients to stake coins on Ethereum stages, and Ethereum clients can likewise utilize Ramp's foundation to expand their yields. Ramp engages clients to acquire yields on collateralized resources, permitting them to move coins flawlessly across different blockchain networks. The Ramp token is given as a feature of the Ethereum network as an ERC20 token, opening extra liquidity, and serves numerous different capabilities on the protocol as utilized. This framework expands capital productivity as well as permits clients to open liquidity from marked resources and stack various yield streams without a moment's delay. Clients who are as of now a piece of the Ethereum blockchain can mint USD at zero charges by storing their ERC20 tokens into Ramp's liquidity pool. This framework permits both RUSD and EUSD holders to acquire, loan, or trade their tokens uninhibitedly and make liquidity for clients. Through symbolic consumes, Ramp holders can get esteem back on the coins they hold. Ramp's extraordinary selling point is the way it gives clients the most reduced acquiring charges and the absolute most noteworthy store yields on guarantee resources. Ramp specialized investigation. Ramp's creation was fundamentally incited by the soaring development of the marking economy. And as this development heightens, the cost of Ramp coin is likewise liable to increment. Like other digital currencies, there is a restricted greatest stockpile of Ramp tokens, meaning something like 1 billion tokens will at any point be made. The coin can never again be stamped, and any Ramp consumed is for all time eliminated from course. This makes Ramp DeFi invulnerable to expansion, a solid sign that Ramp's worth will probably keep on rising. A greater part of crypto fans are likewise putting down their wagers entrance's future cost development, referring to high utility, sensible tokenomics, and significant use cases as proof that Ramp is a wise speculation. As the DeFi crypto industry extends considerably further, specialists have assessed that the cost of Ramp will probably ascend from here on out, and any venture could bring great returns. Ramp basic investigation. A larger part of DeFi stages are Ethereum-based, leaving out non-Ethereum clients. Ramp DeFi tends to this basic market whole. The Ramp stage is great for fighting this issue and engaging non-Ethereum clients to use the advantages of DeFi. Along these lines, Ramp harbors a remarkable market potential with great possibilities arriving at new highs later on. Ramp permits clients to procure yields by cultivating or marking on their capital, collateralizing their capital, getting RUSD stablecoin, and afterward utilizing that coin to make different speculations all simultaneously. This proficient framework permits clients to appreciate exceptional yields on venture on their resources and at the same time separate liquidity. Ramp DeFi offers a plenty of elements, including yield cultivating open doors, a cross-chain liquidity span, and marking rewards. Basically, Ramp furnishes clients with an unmistakable situation to procure colossal benefit and open liquidity, all while tending to a serious cryptographic money market hole. Ramp current cost. Ramp is at present worth 5 cents USD. Ramp has moved 2.78% as of now with an exchanging volume of $18,227. Ramp is at present positioned 511 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $28,142,642 USD. Ramp value forecast 2022. Ramp, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Ramp cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 8 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 8 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. Ramp is supposed to have a base worth of 6 cents. Ramp value expectation 2023. In 2023, ramp cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ramp will before long outperform 14 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the ramp's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ramp will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 11 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 12 cents. Ramp value forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 20 cents and ramp might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Ramp is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 18 cents and a low of 17 cents in 2024. Ramp value forecast 2025. On the off chance that ramp effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the ramp coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ramp will be green in 2025. The ramp is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 26 cents, with a base cost of 23 cents and a typical cost of 24 cents. Ramp value forecast 2026. After some broad guaching and specialized investigation, we gauge the ramp cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 30 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 29 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ramp has a greatest value worth of 32 cents. Ramp value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 36 cents. In the event that ramp figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 37 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help ramp needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 34 cents. Ramp value expectation 2028. While ramp is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 40 cents and a yearly cost close above 43 cents in 2028. Ramp value forecast 2029. By 2029, ramp will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 46 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 49 cents, averaging out at 47 cents. Ramp value forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest ramp cost in 2030 is projected to be 57 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 54 cents. Our ramp